Hello everyone. I'd like to share my latest journal. It's made with a vintage Reader's Digest cover, front and back. And I use the digital journal kit, A Garden Diary, there we go, by Screech Studio. I just love her digitals. And I did a collage in the front. All these three items are from the kit with a little doily here. The closure is two clips, and I have here, there's two bead dangles and one charm in the middle of a big bumblebee. And these easily come off. This over here. So it measures 5 wide, 7.5 high, with a 1 3/4 inch spine. It has 3 hand-stitched signatures for a total of 124 pages. The sheets have been coffee stained, and inside I have a library's pocket from my Etsy shop and library card. And here I did a collage of a slide. This is a fern from my yard, and just from an old botanical book. And here's a fussy cut of a bee from this kit. The first signature is the potting shed, and here I've sewn in a shovel on the trim, and there's a tag from the kit, journaling card. This is a journaling card from that's the Tim Holtz pocket cards. And here is the pocket shed, the potting shed, and it's a pocket. I've created a pocket, and here is a large index card with a tab. And here is this is a CD envelope, and this is fussy cutting from Edith Holden that I've glued to the side. I had to downsize the envelope to fit in the journal, so I sewed on both sides. Here is a paper clip and that curl tip. I got the idea from Tracy Fox. And there's some stamping. Inside there's a journaling card, which is Edith Holden paper from, and it's just sewn to coffee dyed paper. And here's another index card with a little tag, and I've stamped number 5, and this is an element that I cut from the digital kit to fit some craft paper. Here it says Garden Chores, Spring, Summer, Autumn, and Winter, and again it's another pocket with a index card that has been coffee stained. Here's a side tuck with a large trim, a lace. Here is a postcard, and this is a journaling card from the kit. A page from the kit. Here's a merchandise bag that I've coffee stained. These elements here are from Kaisercraft die cuts. And inside here I have a journaling card from the Tim Holtz pocket cards. And here, this is from a French Larousse dictionary. The illustrations are just gorgeous. It's dated 1922. And these are the insects. These are the insects that are good for your garden, and these are the insects that are not good for your garden. That's interesting. And this tracing paper. This is a slide that I did of a wild violet that I got in my yard. And the wild violet is the flower for the province of New Brunswick. And the middle of the first signature. This is paper from the DigiKit, tracing paper. The back of the merchandise bag. This botanical print is from Tailor Made Journals, and it's from a German botanical book that she has, and I just love those prints. And inside here is some note paper, and also some cut-offs that I've included of this paper that I used. It's white on this white side. And I'll just put that there for extra journaling paper. And here is ephemera on lawn swings. I think the list price was $8 and on special $4.75. You won't find that today, that's for sure. Just the lumber is a few $100s. This is a floating envelope. Again, the idea comes from Tracy Fox, and I did it with a page from Edith Holden. It says, wildflowers found in the neighborhood of our Olton, Warwickshire. It's interesting. Craft paper, that's the back of that large index. These are from the Tim Holtz pocket cards, journaling cards, and this is an element from the kit, Seedlings. These also are from the kit. In this small glassine envelope, which I have in my Etsy shop in 4 different sizes, this is an element from the kit, but all the, I don't throw out my bits and pieces, but these are from the, when I did my, when I did those slides, sorry, I did it with the die. And I just stamped everyone. There's a bee, dragonfly, butterfly, the flower, ladybug. There, this one says nature. Tulips, these are blank. And something I had tried, and I just stamped a dragonfly. So these go in that little envelope there as an extra. In this pocket, this is a journaling card from, it's a digital from ChikUna. This comes with the digital kit here. It's the same as these little seed envelopes, just adorable. I'm trying to get one here. Seeds, a plant name description, date gathered, planting position, season, germination, mature height, and here's the back. These are really sweet. So that's the first signature. The second signature is the flower garden, and here I've sewn a flower sprig to the lace trim. This tag and journaling card come with the kit. This is Tim Holtz. Hold on tight to your dreams. This is with the kit. Craft paper. This is a regular envelope that is normally this way, but I played with it to make a top-loading envelope with a large flap that I stamped. And here, this is fussy cutting from Edith Holden book, some stamps. And inside I have, if I can get it out, a journaling card that I've sewn to coffee-dyed paper. And it's a poem by E.B. Browning. Another page from the kit. A large index card with a tag, again with a little element from the kit that I cut in half. And I stamped number 147. Another side tuck of this wide lace. This is a postcard. Oh, sorry. Postcard. Another journaling card from the kit. Another merchandise bag. And again, Kaisercraft die cuts. Beautiful memories with some piece of doily. And inside this one is a journaling card, a Tim Holtz journaling card. I touched that stand again. This is a page from one of my botanical books, To Everything There Is a Season. Tracing paper. Another, God almighty, another slide. And here, wild strawberry, again, that I gathered in our yard. The middle of the second signature, which is paper from the digital. Tracing paper. Again, another image from tailor-made journals. And then inside here, another gardening book that I have. These are on Borginias. It's in French. I just love the flower. It's beautiful. The other side of the large index card, I created a little pocket. This is an image from the digital kit. So are these two journaling cards. They're in bigger sizes elsewhere in the book, in the journal. This is a Tim Holtz card. The back of the, that's on the digital kit. It's beautiful. I love the colors. And here, another pocket. This is from the kit. So are these two tags. And this journaling card is from ChikUna, which is digital on Etsy. Craft paper. Oh, sorry. Yeah, craft paper. The a page from the digital kit. It says greenhouse. So this is the second signature. The third signature is a vegetable garden. And here I've sewn a leaf to the trim. There's a tag from the kit. This is from ChikUna. I love it with all the bees. We need bees to pollinate our flowers and gardens. This Tim Holtz card. Another page from the kit. Onions, agricultural, kale, vegetable. It all has to do with vegetable gardening. Craft paper. A pocket. And here is from another botanic. I got lots of botanical books at my local SPCA bookstore. Beautiful. This one is a gallery of medicinal plants, and this is about the hibiscus. And here's about Herb Robert, which I'm not familiar with. And these, of course, they don't grow wild here. They're a patio plant for the summer only. A page from a digital kit, a curious herbal, a large index card, another little, this from the kit, a little stamp. It says cabbage. Another large side tuck with another postcard and a journaling card from the kit. Merchandise bag. Again, Kaisercraft die cuts documented with a doily. Inside this one, I have, this is a Tim Holtz journaling card. And again, this from one of the botanical books. The apple story. All about apples. But I just love the drawings. Tracing paper. Another slide, and again from my yard, the aster. That doesn't show too well. Okay. Nope. Anyway, it's the aster flower, and the middle of the third signature. Tracing paper. The back of the merchandise bag with another. This is again from Tailor Made Journals, the botanical. This is a chamomile. Inside here I have, this is from a herb book, the lemon thyme, and all about the lemon thyme. And this envelope is the jeweler's envelope that I like, with that long flap. I've stamped that big B. And this is Fussy Cutting from Edith Holden, some stamping. This stamp, Canada Post has put out this 2 stamps of a bumblebee. It has a steampunk look. It's mechanical looking, but I really like them. So I bought a book to put in my journals. And inside here is a Tim Holtz journaling card that I had to cut down just to fit this envelope a little bit. The back of the large index card with a pocket. This is again a journaling card from the kit. This is from the kit also. It was another section, the orchard, but I chose not to do another section, but I include it just in case somebody wants to use it. Oh, just in case somebody wants to use it. Sorry. This journal sold this morning after I listed it. This is all about herbs. Another page from this kit. It's a beautiful kit. There's more pages. I didn't use them all. And I've used this one here, this section, Herb Garden, from the kit. This image here is from ChikUna, this digital card. And dragonflies are perfect for your garden. I love them. The craft paper. Another page from the kit. Vegetable plants. And here in the back, I made this envelope with a gusset, so there's lots of room. And inside, I put a page from another botanical book, The Herb Garden. It's beautiful. Look at these images. I just love them. Very nice. So that's the journal, and I hope the lady who purchased it will be happy with it. She's one of my regular clients in my Etsy shop. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you, Lynn. Bye-bye.